Jackless!
Hindi alam yung front ng...
Raha kasi, raha.
Raha pala, raha.
Gusto niyo makatikin ng pusi, gano'n.
Kaya nga gumanon, di ba?
Masarap. Actually, may clip si Enzo nung ano, diba? Yung paprika.
Paprika?
Okay, let's cut to that.
Jump cut.
Cut that clip.
Kapag may period blood kasi parang may konting spice. Don't shut up! I think of it sometimes as paprika. You know, it's like Spanish paprika.
Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up right now! You're cooked, Enzo!
Pag may period blood,
May lasa daw.
Sabi ko, it's like paprika.
You've never tried that? Pusi ni Jojo. Lagot ka! Lagot ka! Away kayong dalawa.
cash out.
Nabalik ko.
It came back.
Kanino binato?
100 lang, minimum eh. It's a red, bro. 25. Reminder, don't gamble unless you know you're gonna win. Bro, lost everything.
All in tayo. Color game.
Anong color? Anong color?
Nakakapag kasi no?
Philippines.
Diba blue? Manifest.
Yun na, yun na. Holy shit!
We got blue.
Bro, Sir Radtech, dapat alam niya mga buto. Hindi niya alam yung 3 buto sa tenga.
Wait.
Hindi nga niya alam na meron eh.
Wait lang. Hindi namin pinag-aralan yun. Seryoso nga, hindi namin pinag-aralan yun. I'm not even trying to defend myself. Hindi nga namin pinag-aralan yun.
Hindi, di ba
Parang The Office.
Pero alam ko sa
Last year, grabe yung heatwave. Nag-zoom call kami. Not on. I don't, no Didi. Kakastart pala ng class. Yung camera niya, yung cellphone niya, biglang gumanon. Makabruk na siya.
Oh my God.
Kita mo yung... He's got boobs now. I don't know if it's fat or boobs.
Always been like that.
Bakit may nawakan yung chest mo? What? That's all for this vlog. See you in the next one. Bye.